Good evening. We got a storm coming in, the weatherman says tonight, and might get 1 to 3 inches of snow. Wind's really blowing outside, and Grandma's gone. She's at school in her CNA class. I just made some giant gingerbread men. I got 6 of them done tonight, so she can give them away. And I thought it would be fun to read a story to go along with the storm. I just happen to have Bruce's Big Storm. This is the Foggy Hollow Community Board. Bruce's Big Storm. Bruce was a bear who did not like neighbors, even if they wave hello from behind a tree. Neighbors were loud. Vroom, vroom. Hi, Bruce. Want a ride? And they were always interrupting. Brownie and pestering. Want to play frying pan ball? Worse still, neighbors lived all over Bruce's neighborhood. Hi, neighbor. Do you have any robotic laser cutters I could borrow? Well, Bruce's neighbors were always coming and going, but at least none of them stayed very long, until the day of the big storm. There's the weatherman on TV. It says, Soggy Hollow's weather. Today we'll have rain that is very wet and wind that is very windy. That makes sense, doesn't it? He's reading a book, says The Bear by Himself. Sorry to be a bother, but can we please stay here during the storm? Bruce did not like visitors. He wanted to wait out the storm in peace and quiet. But not everyone felt that way. Big storms are less scary when you're together. Let's invite everyone to play games in our pajamas. I love pajama parties, and we don't even have pajamas. As the rain started to fall and the winds got windier, more and more animals began to arrive. He just blew in with the wind, huh? Finally, the whole neighborhood was there. Wait, said Rupert. Someone is still outside. Everyone went to the window to look. Well, almost everyone. There was a little bunny out in the storm. Poor little bunny, huh? All by himself. Someone has to save her, shouted Thistle. I'm on my way, said Nibs as he ran out the door. But the big storm was too much for the mouse. The wind's really blowing. Uh-oh. What happens when you open your umbrella and the wind's blowing? And in his hurry, Nibs got a little carried away. Ah! Oh, look, I can see my house from here. Well, Nibs's rescue mission was not going as planned. I'm here to rescue you, but I need help down first. and I give him some help. Uh-oh, it's okay. Whoosh. This is all part of my plan. Who's that? They needed a little help. More help. Bruce, you came to save us. You took my favorite umbrella. Well, maybe we need a new plan. Uh-oh. It's a pretty strong wind to lift Bruce. Everyone had to pitch in. Everybody's helping. And together they pulled the bunny and the mouse and the grumpy old bear back to safety and along with the umbrella. It had been quite an adventure. Everyone take one of Bruce's clean towels. Bruce did not like adventures. While the storm raged outside, Bruce's visitors, cozy and warm, played games to pass the time. Duck, duck, Bruce, you're it. Bruce did not like games. Then, one last guest arrived. Crash! A great big oak tree, and it didn't knock. Battle stations! Bring me a chainsaw. I'm allergic to acorns. Squeep! They were all okay, but the house was not. I think the roof might have a leak. Still, everyone found a safe, dry corner to spend the night. Doesn't look like Bruce is getting much sleep, does it? Well, come morning, Bruce's house didn't look so great. Still had his chair, though. Soon, Bruce's neighbors went back to their own homes, leaving Bruce behind to grumble in the rumble. But not for long. Tap, 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 tap. Now what? All of Soggy Hollow, every neighbor came back to lend a hand, hoof, paw, and wing, to help Bruce rebuild. He's got some good neighbors, and they look like they're happy and having fun. Over time, Bruce's house was put back together even better than before. We call this addition the Rumpus Room. It's for rumpusing. It became a popular place in Soggy Hollow for all the neighbors to gather and have fun. I have 5 old maids. You can't have 5 old maids in poker. I thought we were playing Go Fish. Hey, who's eating all the poker chips? I thought they were crackers. Bruce did not like fun, and he still did not like neighbors. Knock, knock, knock. but they sure liked him. You've been elected to be our den mother. The end. Hope you enjoyed the story. Love you all.